Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Then choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you want to connect to and wait. Now you need to select Pair and wait for the device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but if you want to forget this connection, you can always tap on this gear icon next to connected device, choose Forget over here and tap on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!